guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Are you looking for an investment opportunity in Manchester? If your answer is yes, then welcome to Hatfield, Manchester. Here you will find this property that comprises of 14 bedrooms and 14 bathrooms. It is as follows: 7 one-bedroom, 2 two-bedrooms, and 1 three-bedrooms, all self-contained. There is also a standalone one-bedroom with ensuite bathroom, which is suitable for additional income generation. It is only 10 minutes away from Mandeville Town Center. It is also in proximity to schools, hospitals, banks, shopping centers, etc. This is a great investment opportunity. Don't hesitate to call for more details. Guys, let's take a look at this investment property, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this apartment is US 1 million, Jamaican 157.7 million, Canadian 1.4 million, Euro 918.5 thousand, or 777.2 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.